Krez. Thanks for listening to me thus far. Thus. Who the fuck says thus? Bigger and brighter things, look. Check it. Yo, yo, yo. My boy Nick told me kill the shit, so let's have a funeral. Roses, graves, and a coffin, black clothing. Man, it's so beautiful. Making music daily, never stuck up in a cubicle. Nervous as fuck, biting my nails down to the cuticles. Fuck the game up, busting out a semen. I'm a demon, I'm fiending to get to beating these beats till they fucking screaming. In class I was sleeping, I was dreaming, fantasizing of my penis inside Serena and Venus. But, pants wet, then I wake up. Mama said to shape up, bullies told me to pay up. But I was concerned with music and getting my cake up. Used to not have friends, knowing the hoes, they said wait up. But I guess it's just what success bring. Hoes who blew me off, now the same hoes I'm texting. Shows every weekend, microphone testing. Everybody Google me, typing the next best thing. Yeah, I'm not Mac Miller, believe me. Champion on the mic, find me on a box of Wheaties. I dare you to compare me to Mac. I'll take a PC and shove it in your ass till you're spitting out your feces. And if that don't stop the comparisons, I'ma take every MC and just embarrass them. Every fan will stare at them, watching me as I carry them to the cemetery. I'ma motherfucking bury them. But enough of all this violent shit. I'm kicking back with a joint and a how the fuck. I can't spit it again. I'ma grind till I die, or on Twitter I trend. You wanna learn to spit, rewind it back and listen again. Get a couple notebooks and like 5 or 6 pens. But just know I can't be copied when the mic's in my hand. I said just know I can't be copied when the mic's in my hand. So look, man, at this point I'm just rambling. I got a date with Destiny, but she don't feel like answering. I don't know how much longer I can go with that bitch canceling. She's the reason I smoke until I look like I speak Mandarin. And that probably sounded racist, but for my future's sake, let me apologize to Asians. I wanna taste the good life, cause what I'm eating's tasteless. And my mama's a nurse, but unlike her, I ain't got patience. So hurry up, it's an emergency. Since the days of my nursery, I was ripping it verbally. Personally, spitting these metaphors and hyperboles. I suggest that you get your ears checked if you ain't heard of me, cause I do it perfectly, the furthest from your average teen. Maybe that explains why all these sexy ladies added me, asking can you rap for me, but they just used to laugh at me. Now the rapper better call me an artist painting his masterpiece. I'm always on my fucking grind. I walk to remember that shit. What's up? I'm out.